It's really wise to make sure that you have a local copy of every video that's on your YouTube channel. A lot of people record and stream at the same time, but some of them just stream. So if that is you, you need to download copies of the videos that you have on your YouTube channel. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So go to studio.youtube.com. If you're not in the channel for the appropriate property, you can click over here and switch account and choose the account that you need to do. I'm using the Church Media Creators account. So here we are, Church Media Creators. What I want you to do is in the left-hand column is go over to your content section, and you'll see the videos that you have uploaded or you've live streamed. If it's a video that you've uploaded, you'll go to videos. If it's a short, you'll go to your shorts tab, and if it is live, you'll go to your live tab. Now, you can always search across your channel for a specific name of a video if you need to. When you found the one that you want, if you select it, we'll do a wedding here that I did for a friend of mine. And if you choose the options, the little three dots here, you can go down and click on download. And what that's going to do is begin the download process. And now you can choose where you're going to save it, to your downloads or an external hard drive or what have you. The title is going to be the name of the file. You can always change this if you need to, and when it's all said and done, hit save and your download will begin. As you can see, it's really easy to download your videos. Now, you'll need to go through and do this for each video that you want to make sure you have an archive of. And of course, this can be time consuming, so it may be something that you want to delegate to one of your staff or one of your volunteers. If you're going to do that, you want to make sure that that person actually has access to your YouTube channel. Let me show you how to do that. So again, in our studio, make sure that you're in the studio.youtube.com for the appropriate channel. And you're going to go all the way down to where your settings are. Click on settings. You're going to go to permissions. Click on permissions, and then you'll see the people that have access to your YouTube channel. If you need to invite somebody, put in their email address and then select their access. I would say either making them an editor or an editor limited. Limited will give you the ability to do things like to upload and to live stream and all that, but they won't be able to see like the revenue data and things like that. So I would go ahead and choose editor limited, and then when you hit done, it's going to send off the invitation. Now be sure that you let them know that there's an email invitation coming to them, have them accept it, and then they will now have access to this YouTube channel in their own Gmail account. Now, as you can see, it's easy to add a user to your YouTube channel, give them permission to access the channel data, the content on here, and have them download. Remember, this is something that's really important for keeping an archival backup, because something could happen. YouTube could go away. I doubt it. But they could limit your account. They could cancel your account for whatever reason, in which case it is really important that you have a backup or an archive of the streams and the videos that you've uploaded to your YouTube channel. And this will get you one step closer to becoming cancel-proof. Now, if you want to take control of your ministry's online presence and make sure that it is cancel-proof as much as you possibly can, then go to becancelproof.com and grab our free checklist, the Cancel Proof Media Checklist, Media Kit. So if you grab that, it will walk you through some things that you may not have thought of that will help your ministry and your YouTube channel and your online presence, your digital footprint become less and less cancel-proof. Take that power, put it back in your hands, and don't leave it into the hands of the platforms and big tech. We'll see you in the next video.